If you use this new approach to sales in 2025, I promise it will change everything in your business. No matter you have online shop, you're a small business, you're a big business, or even you don't have any business and you're only a salesman and working for a business. In this video, I will explain this sales technique which will help you a lot. So make sure to watch this video until the end. But before jumping into the video, as usual of our videos, let me read very useful quote from famous person, Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street. Jordan Belfort says, best way to sell something is don't sell anything. Instead, earn awareness, respect, and trust of those who might buy. So let's jump into the video. What is the simple method? Quite easy enough. You should do something that client or customer think that he or she decided to buy. And you didn't make them. Easy. But how? I will tell you how with some example of my own experience in real estate. Basically, people are buying in two different methods. One of them is this. The seller will represent the product or services. He will start explaining about the product, explaining, and sometimes even rationally will convince the client to buy. Yes, sometimes it works and they will buy from you, but unfortunately they will not come back to your business. Because if you do something that people think that you made them to buy and they didn't buy themselves, they will think this guy scammed me, this guy gave me this product. I don't like this. I didn't want to buy it, but he made me, he forced me to buy. And yeah, it will feel bad, you know. It happened also to me many times. For example, I went to a store to buy clothes for myself. Then the seller started explaining, yeah, this is very good. I have this. The product quality is very good. You should buy it. It's cheap, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, and I bought it, but after leaving the store, I was like, damn, he was a scammer. I didn't like this shirt, but he forced me to buy. So then, yeah, after that, I never went back to that store. Write a comment below if you have the same experience. This method is not good because we need loyal clients for our business. You know, loyal client will support all your business. I know you know about 20-80 Pareto rule. 80% of your sales is from 20% of your clients, your loyal client. And if you can try to increase the amount of loyal clients, you will sell more. But what is second method? Second method is like this. In this case, you will not sell anything to people. You will use this amazing quote and this amazing advice. But how? Okay, here you should be consultant. You shouldn't sell. You make strategy and plan, and the buyer finally make decision by himself or herself. You will plan strategies and put everything together next to each other, and he will come in this journey and they will decide to buy by themselves. Let me give you an example from my own experience in real estate. I will show you here in the board. Let's go. Okay, let's go. All right, a client came to me, this is me, and client. He talked to me and he gave me some information about what he really wants. I asked, what is your basic and important thing in buying an apartment? He really likes view. He really likes to go upstairs and see the view, see everywhere, you know? Yeah, he told me, yeah, I really want to drink my coffee while watching the view. Yeah, he also mentioned some other important factors. Interior decoration was important for him. But yeah, view was the most important one. And we said goodbye and he left the office. Then I tried and find 5 apartments. The point was this, only one of them had great view. Like the others, yeah, they were also good. They had good views and also the interior design was good. They had 3 bathrooms, but only one of them was very good. Like this. This is apartment number 1, 3, 4, 5. Great view. So we started a journey for him. We went to the first apartment. It was good apartment, but it doesn't have any like proper view that he wants. So I started a journey with him. We visit here. Then we went for viewing for the second one. And then I stopped here. This is day. We went for viewing for these 2 apartments in the first day. Then for the second day, we went here. Day 2. This apartment has better view than the others also. Like good view. Not great view, good view. Then we went here. He also liked this apartment, but again, he was like view, 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 view. When he said this, he told me that, man, this one was good. Maybe I can think about this. He convinced to buy like in 60%. But I didn't insist like all other sellers doing this. Yeah, this one is great. You should buy it. You should buy it. You should. No, I didn't do that. I just said, okay, but I think you should wait. Maybe I can find another apartment for you, because I didn't tell him that I found another one with very amazing view. I told him I found 4 apartments for you. Then he left. It was weekend and I didn't tell him. So I left him on holiday to think by himself. At the first day of the week, I called him and told him, man, I found a very good apartment for you. Would you mind to come and view this one also? He said yes. Then we went here. It was day 2, day 3, 4, 5th, day 6. Day 6. You can't imagine. Unbelievably, when he entered the apartment, he was like under spell. Without paying attention to anything else in that apartment, he directly went to window. With round eyes, he started looking at the view of that apartment. He was like, wow, this is amazing, man. I want this one. Even he forgot to watch carefully to interior design, or he didn't even ask about the number of bathroom. I found the most important thing that he needs from himself. So it was like I designed a strategy to show this. Imagine if I showed this apartment at the first day and then this one, he would think that actually there are so many apartments like this and I can't find more apartments like this. But I gave him some options that he understood that you cannot find good apartments with good views like this one, this one, this one. Yeah, they were good apartments, but they didn't have a good view enough. He could compare by himself and he made decision by himself. But in fact, I planned a strategy to he make this decision by himself. I hope you could have understood what exactly I mean. This was a very good sales technique, but you should never fraud people. You should never scam people, please. It was very profitable deal for him also. I didn't just say, yeah, let's close this deal and I will get my commission. No, I didn't say that, because this apartment price and material, interior design was really good. It was win-win situation. So make sure always do something that you will have win-win situation with your client. Even when he left me, he introduced some of his friends to me. Actually, I could find for one of them. It was very good experience. Yeah, it was just an example from real estate industry. You can do this in your own industry, in your own business. Even you've definitely seen this pricing strategy that they call it decoy effect. This is one of the greatest strategies that businesses use to do something that people think that they made decision by themselves. So in this case, it's like they will be happy because they could get bigger size with less price. So decoy effect is one of the strategy and methods that can help you to use this sales technique. Now, if you are interested in different and creative marketing strategies, I have created a video about 5 mind-blowing marketing strategies from different big companies. Make sure to watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.